In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from a Google Calendar. This is a super helpful skill for keeping your calendar organized and focusing only on the events that truly matter to you. Let's start by navigating to Google Apps on your device. You can usually find this by clicking on the cluster of small squares, often called the Google Apps Grid or Launcher, typically located in the upper right corner of your Google homepage or most Google services. Once you've opened that up, you'll see a list of Google services at your disposal. Find and select Calendar. Clicking here will redirect you to the Google Calendar page where we're going to make those changes. Now that you're in the Calendar interface, take a look at the bottom left section of the page. You'll see a list labeled Other Calendars. This is where Google organizes the additional calendars that you are subscribed to but do not own. Let's review the calendars listed here and find the one you no longer wish to be subscribed to. Once you've identified the calendar, hover your cursor over its name. You'll notice 3 small dots appearing next to it. These 3 dots are your access points to more options specific to that calendar. Click on them. A small menu will pop up, and what you're looking for here is the Settings option. Go ahead and click that. Doing so will take you to a new page dedicated to the settings of the specific calendar you've chosen. Now in this settings page, scan through until you find the Remove Calendar tab. This tab is crucial as it allows you to manage your subscription status. Click on the Remove Calendar tab and you will see a few options populate. Look for the Unsubscribe option here. When you click Unsubscribe, Google will usually ask for a confirmation, which is simply ensuring this is what you really want to do, especially since it may involve losing access to shared events and scheduling information. Go ahead and confirm your choice to unsubscribe and voila! You are no longer subscribed to that calendar. It should disappear from your Other Calendars section immediately, leaving you with a more streamlined view. There you have it, mission accomplished. You can now manage your time better by focusing on the calendars that are most important to you. This process is pretty straightforward, but it's amazing how much more manageable your schedule becomes without the clutter of unnecessary calendars. Your Google Calendar should now look a lot cleaner, and you should feel a bit more in control. Thanks for following along with me today, and I hope you found it useful.